Welcome to Daphne's Playtime! Hi guys, it's me Daphne again and welcome to Daphne's Playtime! And today I'm gonna open a new slime pack I've ever done. We need to put this mixture in and this glue and these 5 colors that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we also it's like silver, blue, and green, and yellow, of course. Red too. It's sparkling, right? Forget.
What color will you do today?
I'm gonna do, of course, I would like to do cool silver.
Silver?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's just open it. I can't wait. Like this, and open it. Of course, it's so obvious to open it. Ha! I got it! Well, here we got this mixture.
That's the magical liquid.
Watch it. How these blues. It's sparkling like glue.
It's a clear glue. Yep.
Clear glue. Okay, that's it. Why that these are clear glue? It's the same one on the package. Over here, very picture. And I'm right. There is peachy color.
What are those?
Look at these. They look good for me. It's the same one I told you. It's making everything sparkle. We can make some hearts out of this slime. Let's start doing it.
Okay,
Let's
so.
check the instructions.
Okay.
1. Put the glue in, of course. Cannot release this on already. It is so sticky. Need to have a spatula and then bowl.
Okay. First one.
This one. Pulling the glue.
Empty?
Yes, empty.
Okay.
Now we need to add a choice of my glitter glue. Of course, I choose silver. Let's just open this. Okay. Yes, my favorite color. Open this. It's already opened by me.
Okay.
That's it. Whoa. Let's mix it now.
Until you reach the color of your choice. Is that the color of your choice or you want another color?
I want another color too. Of course, blue. Okay, let's put this back in, you guys. I guess just open the whole box. The blue one, you just love the blue color. Okay, you guys, now it's time to put this blue too. This is kind of good, you guys, because I just never had this new pack of slime. It's gonna be glitter, yucky. Now for blue and glitter. Blue. It's dark blue now, you guys. It's kind of great. Let's open this.
Okay, carefully.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, yes. Magical.
Then you need to. It says you mix it until the mixture gets harder to mix and slime begins to form.
So now it's getting harder. It's getting harder. You can play with it after it's ready mixed very perfectly. Let's touch it.
Yeah.
It's fun! It's ready fun, Mommy. Look, the slime already formed. It's like very little. Okay, directly. Let's take it out of the bowl now. It's just put the balls at the side and take this glue out. Wow! See, you guys, like Spider-Man. It's kind of good. Okay, let's. It's kind of even on the table. Let's just dump it out. I'll put it all at the baby bowl. So we can play with it. Ooh, it's good. You guys. It tastes like slime, guys. It seems like slime ready, guys. On my hand.
I've got some more.
Wow, that mommy, that's good. Let's got some more, guys.
It's a slime.
Yeah, you guys, mine's really chunky. Let's get
Here,
some.
you can play with this.
Oh my, oh my, oh my. Wow! I never touched this so.
Yay! We did it!
Yay! It's so shiny. Our new old slime. Thank you, Hasbro, for sending these slime.
Boy!
Bye.